Hey there, my friends. Coach KIRKSHINTA here. Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about a work-from-home program called Invoice Processing Elite. And I wanted to come and show some proof that I actually got paid with this system. As you can see right here on my screen, I've already made $250 commissions with Invoice Processing Elite. Invoice Processing Elite is a work-from-home program that allows you to earn $250 commissions by literally processing emails, but within the framework of the program, it is a virtual platform, learning platform, which teaches you how to make money in the offline space. So if you're someone who you're like, I've been looking for a way to make money offline, maybe, you feel like online isn't necessarily the space where you want to be marketing, or you don't want to be, or if you're an online marketer, you just want a program that you can earn $250 commissions, then this is a program you want to take a look at. All you have with this system, you get all of the pages that you need for this program to market are already done for you. They're put together for you. There's no monthly fees at all with this program. And it only has a small $25 admin fee, and that admin fee helps you get access to what you need to be able to make money with this program and earn unlimited $250 commissions with Invoice Processing Elite. Now, let me take you into the virtual classroom and show you what you get access to with the program. So the first thing is you get access to a fast start training. You get access to training that walks you through how to use the system. That's the first thing that you're going to see. The next thing that you get access to is you get access to 𝐒𝐷 Bootcamp. So I'm going to take you into that real quick. So, for those of you who want to learn how to get better with 𝐒𝐷 and be able to cut and paste some things online and be able to generate leads quickly, just to get started, this is great, the 𝐒𝐷 Bootcamp. It even has ad sites for Craigslist to market on there. Also gives you YouTube tags. So if you want to make videos for Invoice Processing Elite, for those who want to be video marketers, it gives you the YouTube tags. Okay, so that's extremely valuable as well. All right, let's go into some other things. Because Invoice Processing Elite is a email processing system, the first thing that you're going to get access to is the invoicing emails. So these are emails that you can cut and paste to people when they request the invoice with the system. I just want to, some of you know email processing system that's out there. When people ask like what's the closest program to compare it to, I would say that will be the closest one, but this pays, of course, better commissions, $250 commissions. Okay, then the other thing you get access to, a suite of mindset videos, but that's not really what I want to show you. What I want to show you is the core training that you have access to, which is more valuable than the $250 investment in this work from home system, because the virtual classroom platform allows you access to modules that teach you how to make money in the offline space so that you can make great money from home. So for those of you who want to at home be able to earn a great income, this is it. So one of the first things that you get access to, let me go back a second. You get access to the affiliate marketing cheat codes. For those of you who still market online, you're going to get access to that as well. And also for those of you who are online marketers, you also get access to tons of training to help you be a better marketer in the online space as well. So first thing, for online marketers, you're getting access to affiliate marketing cheat code to help you know what you need to know to get started. Okay, there's a course on how to sponsor more people. Great information in there as well. There is the 3T method, cash flow triangle. Okay, so right now cash flow is everything. So for those of you who are looking to be able to make more money without necessarily having to join more and more programs, you definitely want to take a look at that. The next thing is the daily income goal course. That is a full affiliate marketing course for those of you who are affiliate marketers, network marketers, and you want to learn things like how to build your email list, how to get more traffic, why you should think about video marketing, how to tell your story, things like that, how to reach your daily income goals, things like that. Okay. Let's move on. The next thing is mailbox. There's a full mailbox domination course. So for those of you who are mailbox marketers, maybe you're with a mailer program already. There's a full course on how to dominate mailer programs and things like that, for those of you who do that as well. The next thing is SMS marketing basics course, teaching you the basics of SMS marketing. It's a full course. Let's just click on there. So it's a full course on how to dominate SMS marketing. Okay, the next thing is Ad Copy Elite. Okay, this is very important. Right here, there's a course called Traffic Masters, and it gives you the principles of sales copy, messaging, how to write persuasive ad copy, how to write good ad copy in your sales funnels. For those of you who are online marketers, this is very important because you want to know how to do posts that convert, how to write emails that convert. So ad copy is everything you need to know, and you get access to a full course in here. Okay, the next thing that you're going to get access to, now we're going to start moving into the offline income courses. So you get, oops, I clicked on the same course twice. Hold on a second, y'all. There's a course called Smacking and Stacking Casino. How many of you have gone to the casino and you had tons of fun, but you lost some money? But you want to know how you can go to the casino and maybe walk out with some money. So there's a course called Smacking and Stacking Casino course, and it teaches you how to literally know how to go into the casino and kind of like rock the algorithms. All the slot casino machines are machines. And they run on algorithms. How do you understand that to position yourself to be in position to potentially walk away with money and great income versus walking out of the casino with empty pockets? Okay, so that's what that course is all about. The next course that is in there that is worth like thousands of dollars is called, it's a medical commodities course. If you don't know what medical commodities is you probably seen this in your town. You see those signs like, we will pay you for your diabetes strips. Well, that's huge industry. Pharma is huge industry. I was actually posting in one of the groups today. I was showing them that I had a $400 commission, and that $400 commission came from a pharmaceutical company. Okay, not this from this specific program, but I'm with another pharmaceutical company and I got a $400 commission. Okay, so pharma is big money. A lot of people don't know that in the online space, in the offline space, that pharma is big money. Okay, there's a lot of ways that pharmaceutical companies can pay you to make money, and one of the ways is literally invoicing you for diabetes strips. Okay, so there's a course called a medical commodities course called Flipping Medical, and it shows you how to literally make money from diabetes testing strips. Okay, it's a whole industry. Okay, so that course is back there, and then there's some other courses that are in the PLR vault, and I'm going to point out the ones to me that there's a course on digital product creation. So for those of you right now, I'm actually working on something right now, a digital product. Digital product creation is a great way to make money. You've probably seen right now, there's tons of little, offers, $27, $47, $97, little mini courses that are going out. You probably see ads, Facebook ads all the time about these little courses. Once you understand digital product creation, you could be that person literally getting paid for these little tiny courses and things like that. So that is back there. Some of the other things, the other courses that I think are good, there's a Bitcoin course here as well. And then there's a course called Cash Out on Fiverr. So for those of you looking to create other like little micro streams of income, you could literally create a stream of income on Fiverr. And this shows you exactly how to do that as well. So, my overall assessment of this program is that it allows you to create a lot of streams within one program. Here's how. You can get the $250 commissions when someone joins you in Invoice processing the lead. Just by you processing emails, and you make $250 commissions again every time someone joins you in this program. Now the second and third ways that you can earn income in this program are literally by applying following what's in the medical commodities course. Okay, and then you could also grow if you already are affiliate marketer, you can grow your affiliate business with the trainings that are here in these courses above. So it really is a 360. It allows you to earn the $250 commissions up front. It allows you to build another stream on the back end that's offline. Okay, a medical commodities allows you to do that, or if you want to earn with the casino course, that's offline as well, right? It allows you to do that as well. And then it gives you the training and the marketing knowledge to be able to grow your online businesses. This is how you triangulate your income, not putting all your income on one stream or even on one necessarily platform, right? Or one basket of affiliate marketing, right? You have some streams that are offline, you have an online stream, and you actually understand how to triangulate, right here, how to triangulate your income stream so you're not necessarily working more. You just understand how to work your systems together, your income system, so that 360, you're earning from different streams. Okay, so my bonus that I'm giving with this is my Daily 6 marketing course. This is the same, literally for 3 years I've been following the same formula, daily formula, to making profits online. I'm giving that to people who join me in this course. That by itself is worth thousands of dollars. I have tons of success stories on my channel from students using that exact formula. You will get access to that when you join me in Invoice Processing Elite at the 250 level. Well, there's only one level, and that's the great thing too, is that there's only one level. So that's it. No monthly fees, and yeah, start stacking that income. That's it. Smash the subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video, and that's it.